Members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Movement (HNYM), under the leadership of its president Louis Dohtdong, had marched to the office of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem on the 3rd of May 2023 to meet the concerned authority on the approval of the Khasi Autonomous District Council to the appointment of the Circle Headman of Myrwet. After a heated argument between members of the HNYM and ministers and officials of the office of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem, the HNYM president Louis Dohtdong had informed through the media about the approval of the Khadc to the appointment of the Circle Headman, even after the list of applicants to the concerned position had not been received by the council. Dohtdong alleged that this action of the Khadc, through the recommendation of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem, may have been a connivance with the Syiem of Myrwet, who was ready to dispose of public land to tribes other than those under the jurisdiction of the Khasi Autonomous District Council. The HNYM president also insisted that the approval be recalled, failing which the pressure group would adopt other measures to ensure that just and proper procedure is followed to the selection of the Rangbah Shnong of Myrwet Pyllun.
After we give you time, just remember, since July of 2022, we have submitted all the documents. Block 1, Block 2, we are also in good terms. Yes. We came as a team. This is our Why should I ask you for the letters? Actually, this is your duty.
Ilayo nak district council mentai gini kilongsan
isu sendat menta bagalami itu kalis jong itu kirang Shnong kepala approve dari council through the recommendation of Hima Mylliem. The kata kapan bitar yang ini namar belai nalor bangi ngidang sokia kandau ka siap sometimes kini ki penlong ni penban kum kinong sion job ki tamangim salia ban pelong lada pi pelong nosion we don't care namar belai ni try na ta ka jingba jung ka patang ka banwan ka jaj ban riu ka de ban em lang ba ka kandau ka siap lada ngila do no kandau ka siap lakut ka jaj ban riu ha ingin shop kiwai ka jaj ban riu ki don lada ngi be nang ne ki dang don ni kiwai pat ki jaka snong try jom ki ni sha ingin phat na ka ne ka ri ka jom da kai ka balango kalong baha kani ka list ngi menta bagadis council ru kala asen ni kini kala ai approval ni kini gerang ba Shnong ne ma pi kini ki rang ba Shnong jongara circle rang ba Shnong ni ai jemut yau Syiem Hima Mylliem ngi ong bade banbu ada ka kanten rang ba Shnong Pyllun harai hang ne uklam pediang ngi jing ajumut jongi utho be circle rang ba Shnong te ngi kwa hi kumalong menta kajat benriu rangkat biksang bahalang ngi dawa ya kajing itu ikakten Khasi ya ka ichirul haga karnet ka bapra jana ta daw ngi kwa baki hima kibade kita ki traditional rule jong kajat benriu ka jongi kide ban borobor hi ki haban snai ki sil ne da kakten la jong khanang bakat em kakten haba em kakten em kajat benriu harai kumbalong menta ya kini ki Rangbah Shnong Pyllun la Syiem la kasim da ka ba appoint nang ne na po office ya ka ba kasang kamla ban kamla ban pediang dalai leru ya. Namar bakal adon ka jingkot application ni kita Rangbah Shnong kat ba mentah na la shu appoint direct na pok ka Hima. Kane ka jing le sop jong ka Hima Mylliem rangkat tu Syiem Myrwet. Ngila keran sai bu Syiem Myrwet ie je ke jai benriu bat dan betah hiru imat ba kane ka khando ka siap jeng jai benriu. Nak tara salia ban de ka khando ka siap jeng jai benriu ka jongai.